Hello bugs, it's your girl Nikita Shanae, and welcome back to my channel. So I'm doing just a really quick video. This is a unboxing video of the Diamond Virgin hair. I've been rocking with this company for about 8 years now, 6 to 8 years now, and I just kind of wanted to do a unboxing because my last video I did on a hair review was a Yolissa hair, and I got so many good views on that, so I decided to let me just go and do you like justice and give you the tea, the good. So I get a lot of people asking me where I get my hair from, because it's so soft. It looks very different than any other hair that most people rock, especially in my area. So I decided to give you guys the tea, and it is Diamond Virgin Hair Company. So I currently have in this hair right now, it is the body wave. No, it's not the body wave. It's some type of wave. I can't remember what it is, but I currently have, and I've been having this. I actually sold this hair in and had it in for about 2.5 months, and then a year later I ended up getting it made into a wig. So it's actually a wig now. So but I'm gonna show you guys what I purchased. So I actually got 2 boxes because I like decided that I want to do a frontal or whatever. So this is the frontal. So just kind of give you specs just because some people like that kind of stuff. So it comes in this silver box. Like, I like their box. Matter of fact, this box is very different than the last box that the last time I ordered. So it comes in a silver box, and you get your piece in it like this. So it's just the standard, what's this, bag, zip, I don't know, but it just comes in a standard bag. So I got a 14 in the Mink Brazilian. So she have like a pink collection, which is, so you have the Mink collection, which is the luxury, and then you have the pink, which is like a lower price, but it's still great quality. So it's just kind of for some of those college students that don't want to spend a lot of money but still get really nice hair. So I got the Mink Brazilian. So it comes in a net, and the frontals and the closure only come in a 14-inch. That's the only thing I can say about this company that I do not like. The frontal and the closure only come in 14. So if you're getting like a 22, 26-inch hair, you're going to get a 14 frontal, unless you find a frontal from another company. So this is the frontal. It comes in like a 1B, I guess, like a natural. It already have baby hair, and it's already look like it's kind of pre-plucked already. So for those who like not really good at putting frontals and stuff on, I feel like this would kind of give you like a little bit of more leverage, because it's kind of already pre-plucked for you. It is nice. And it already got like the baby hair, even though the baby hair is pretty long, but it's still, you know, you can still cut it. But the fact that it even come pre-plucked, and the lace is already kind of tinted to like this brown look. Yeah, I like that. I like it. So that's my frontal. I'm actually going to take it to a person, and I don't know if I want her to make me a wig and just kind of sew it down. But I definitely want this color like jet black. Like, I'm wanting some jet black hair. Alright, so this is my bundle. I'm gonna empty it out the box. So it do come with like the receipt that kind of is somewhere. So it do come with a receipt showing like what all you purchased. So I got 3 22s and a 20. So I got four bundles. I usually try to put 4 bundles in some type of, I really wanted, now that I think about it, I really wanted a closure, but it's cool. So I got 22. So these are my 22s, and this is my 20. So let me just open it up. Yeah, I wanted like some really long hair, so I haven't gotten 22 in so freaking long. So this is my 22. So it's straight, but it got a bend to it because it was, of course, bent up in the box or whatever. But it is straight. It is full from the top to the bottom. The width is a nice, I don't know if you can see it, but let's see. The weft is a nice size. Let me just kind of be honest with you. The longer you get, the thinner the bundles are. So that's the reason why I got 4 bundles. So this is a 22. I don't have no complaints out of this Diamond Virgin hair. Like, every time I get hair from them, it's always good. That's the reason why I keep going to them, because I always get like really good hair. So that's my 22. Let me show you the comparison of the 20. So let me show you my 20. So this is my 20. Still the same, like, oh my gosh, it's so pretty. So still the same. You could tell it's a good little difference. So my 20 stopped right there. And then that's my 22. So here is the weft on the 20. Again, like, it is so freaking smooth, so freaking soft. So what I'm going to do is, I just kind of want to see how thick it is all together. Okay, baby. Why I have green thread right here? Why? Why I got the green thread? I don't know. Where is green thread coming from? Money, money, money. I don't know. I have to unravel it to see, but that's weird. It's just a green thread. I don't know. So, like I said, I'm just going to put them together, just kind of see how thick it's going to be. Because I would really like to be able to do all 4 bundles in my closure on my frontal. But with frontals, like, you pretty much, so this, yeah, it's going to be like thick AF. But that's what I like. So I'm actually going to try to see if I can get all 4 bundles in my frontal end. I don't know if I'm going to be able to do that, but we're going to go for it. So yeah, so when I get this installed, I'm definitely going to let you guys know. I'm definitely going to keep you updated on it. Hopefully I can be able to vlog. I'm trying to figure out if I want to do a sew-in or if I want to do a wig, because I really don't want nothing like glued down to my head right now. Like, I'm just not for that right now. So I'm gonna have to figure out how I want to get this done. So whenever I find a way that I'm going to be able to do this hair, I'm definitely going to vlog and let you guys see what I think about this hair. So yeah, if you have not subscribed to your girl channel, please make sure you hit the subscribe button and thumbs up, and don't forget to turn on your bell to let you know whenever I upload new videos, because your girl is coming every Wednesday and Sunday. No, Wednesday and Saturday. I'm on it. Alright, so I will see you guys in the next video. Ciao.